Hello students. In the previous video, we saw how to convert infix expression to postfix form using the paper and the pen method. There, I told you that we have to first parenthesize the expression based on the precedence of operators or priority of operators. Okay, on the paper we can do that. But how will your program do it? So how do you write a program for converting an infix expression to a postfix expression? For that, we can make use of a stack. But when we are using a stack, we have to consider the precedence of operators and we have to push the operators to the stack. We have seen that both in the infix expression and in the postfix expression, the operands are in the same order. So we need not do anything with the operands. So as soon as we encounter an operand, just add it to the output string, that is added to the postfix string. Only when we have operators, we have to consider what to do with that. We have to push the operators to the stack. Then, is just pushing sufficient or should we push all the operators? No, we have to push it based on the precedence of operators. So in case we have any operator on top of the stack with a higher priority than what we are considering now, then that has to be first popped. It has to be added to the output string. Then the new operator has to be pushed onto the stack. Now let's see a simple example for this. So here I have an expression a plus b star c is the expression. So I have already written the expression. So here we have a plus b star c. This is our infix expression. Now consider the characters of this expression one by one. So let's call it as token. So first I consider in this expression a as a token, then plus is my token, then b is the next token, star is the next token, and so on. So if the token is an operand, just add it to the output string. We need not push it to the stack. Now let's see how it works. So first let me consider the token a. We will have initialized top to -1. So we have seen this in the previous class. So top is initialized to -1. So currently the stack is empty. Then I encounter the first token, that is a. It is an operand. So I do not push it to the stack. I just add it to the output string. So the output string is a. Now that is done. The next token is plus. So since it is plus, I cannot just output it to the output string. I have to push plus to the stack. Since currently the stack is now empty, I do not have any other operator to compare it with. So I push it to the stack. So I push plus to the stack. Now top is 0. That is at the 0th position in the stack we are pushing plus. Then currently the output is a. That's my output. Then the next token is b. The next token is b. It is an operand. So the stack remains as it is. I output b to the stack. So I output b to the stack. Then the next one is star. Since my next token is star, I cannot just output it. So I have to compare the precedence of star with the top element of the stack. On top of the stack we have plus. So consider the precedence of star with plus. On the stack you have an operator with a lower priority than star. So push star also to the stack. Now we have plus, then at the one position of the stack we push this. Now stack top is 1, the output is, here the output is AB, so the output is AB only, so the output has not changed. Then the next token is C. C, it is an operand, so just add it to the output string. It is AB C. So this is my output string. Now we have reached the end of the infix expression. So whatever is on top of this, whatever is in the stack, go on popping that in the LIFO order, of course. Now after this, since there are no other tokens, I pop star from stack. So then it is plus, star is popped, this becomes 0, output is ABC star. So pop from stack, add it to the output string. Now we have only plus left with. In the next step, this is also pop from stack, then it is ABC star plus. So the output is ABC star plus. So we have converted the infix expression A plus B star C successfully. We have converted this successfully to the postfix form using a stack. So just see how we have done. So when we are pushing the operators to the stack, we have to consider the precedence. So in case the operator which is on top of the stack has higher precedence than the token we are considering, then we have to pop that, then push the token to the stack. So currently this is what we've done. I'll take one more example and explain it to you. Follow this. So see this and try to understand. Thank you.